Good day everyone. I am Thessalonica L. Arashon from BEd 1R. For the continuation of our topic, let's talk about the problem or issues that requires corresponding ethical consideration. There are global problems or issues that requires corresponding ethical consideration. First, when we say global problems, it is often involve complex ethical consideration due to their widespread impact on various populations and environment. First, we have global poverty. In global poverty, we have here a quotation traced by Santo Tomas to its author Santo Ambrosi states that it is the hungry man's bread that withhold or hoard. So, for example, is that na ay uban country nga poor due to lack of resources or kulang sila technically on how to manage their resources. So naapoy wealthy nations nga lucky sila since they have both. They have enough resources. They are skilled on how to manage it within their nation. Pinagi silang honesty o disiplina. So, ang mga poor nation is unlucky sila kay kasagara is ang galid na is mga dictators, then usually mga corrupt. So, there is a moral obligation ang wealthy nation nga mutabang sa global poor. Pero, it is not easy man good. Dili siya simple nga. Di lang siya kadali or kasimple nga mutabang that so kay syempre ila sa igyong i-secure first ang ilahang own nga countries para po sa ilahang survival. So, in this quote, nga it is the hungry man's bread that withhold or hoard, and it implies that keeping resources to oneself rather than sharing them is morally wrong, as it directly impacts those who are already suffering or in need. So, naragid sa ilahan no nga, mutabang ba sila ato nga poor nation, pero og I mean, naro sa ila og mutabang sila atong mga poor nation. So, moto on the other hand, nasay quote si Father Orbos, naingon siya nga, if we only learn to share, no one will have so little and no one will have too much. Matud pa niya nga, if ang matagusa sa ato is kanang willing or kanang kabalo mo share sa matagusan nato, so walay magkulang, wala pa magsobra. So of course the basis of moral obligation is the principle of love. So narigid sa ato og kanang mutabang ta kay it is a moral obligation man since we belong to kanang nation nga enough og mga resources. So we need to kanang mutabang gid ta pod sa mga katong mga poor nga mga nation. So muna siya ang global poverty. And of course, we have the second global problems or issues that requires corresponding ethical consideration is we have migration. So in short, katong mga katawhan nga gapuyo in poor places, or I said katong mga tao nga ruled by oppressive or tyrannic regimes. So kumbaga katong mga under sila sa nation nga dictator ba or katong mga corrupt. So syempre kita mangita tag places kung asa ta comfortable to live for. Yes, so kasagaan mo ginay main reason why they will find a place where they believe life is better. So the moral ethical issue here is whether or not the receiving countries. So unlike other countries, we the Filipino people, especially Christian spirit, so we've known for being kuan ba diba hospitable or friendly. So bisan kinsa mo dayo diri sa ato sa Pilipinas is kanang we always kanang open ang atong door for them kanang without kanang considering the negative impact nga atong mga migrant nga atong gialaw nga mani sa ato ang country. So kanang mo sa ato i-consider no or i-balance sad nato ang mga possible nga mahitabo if kanang kanang permanent lang nato sila i-always welcome sa atong country. So di man sad sa kanang di man sad siguro nato di man sad siguro sayop nga ato i-try to consider ang mga possible nga mahitabo kanang if kanang permi lang ta open sa mga other other countries, especially here in Philippines. Kay basin at the end is kanang mahayon nato ang ilahang pagsulod dinhi kay basin makakos na siya og harm or sa especially din sa atwa sa Pilipinas. Like karon sa tong mga panghitabo is kanang mga tagagawas is they are fun kanang nga mo ano bitaw diri sa Pilipinas kay aside sa we are kanang known for kanang mga tourist spot. So kanang we need to be careful lang gihapon no when kanang kuan welcoming them sa atong country. Ato i-make sure nga di sila maka-cause og harm every now and then. So muna siya ang migration. And third, we have environmental ethics. It is a branch of applied philosophy that examines the moral basis of environmental values and addresses the ethical dimension of human interaction with the natural world. So, aside as it explores the underlying principles that shapes our views on environment, it also evaluates our ethical implication of our actions and societal attitudes or pamatasan nato on how we protect o masustain ang biodiversity and also our ecological systems. So, kani nga field is seek to understand and guide kung how we human nga makarelita sa atong palibot or nature considering both the theoretical foundation and practical concern. And last, we have pluralism and fundamentalism. So, pluralism requires active engagement with diversity through dialogue and understanding across differences, while fundamentalism is defined as a conservative religious movement that advocates strict adherence to sacred texts. It is criticized for rejecting modernity and seeking to impose religious principle and government. Kung bagay lang kalahian is ang pluralism perceive others as different people with different values from them. So while fundamentalism seek to engage in a war with the enemy. So pluralism tolerates differences or makikonflict para sa peace and in the spirit of mutual acceptance. So that would be all the four global problems or issues that requires corresponding ethical consideration. Thank you.